This is Film Tone, TC, True Color, on a foul day that is raining, and we're heading over to the store. And I don't have the magnet on, and I'm just holding the camera and a tripod. I did get myself this aftermarket vertical mount with the 1/4 20 thread case. I don't love it. I don't hate it. It allows me to click a portrait way, and the button is indentated, the circle cut out, not like the original mount. I wish DJI would have put the quick release in the Mini and offered us a certain type of mount to hook up to the camera so we could use it for portrait. But we don't. So let's get on going and get on walking. I had to stop for the reasons of I hit the shutter button only so I could get a quick on and record to capture the moment, and I wasn't fully attached to the vision dock. It caused an issue of me, not getting that record shot. I wanted to show you the car that's still in the garden. How would you get a car like that out? Cut your garden out? There must be a structure, like a fountain that people put in the front of the garden. Some gardens are small, some are big, and some are just not taken care of. But here is a garden that you have a little bit of, structure, fountains, plants, things like so. I couldn't spit the word out. You need a bed? I got one for you. Let's go get our strawberries. Can you leave your house without 1 second of a horn honking? Not here. The rain is transforming into snow as we speak. You may not see it, but my eyes show it. As we're ready, we put our wipers up. Look at the rain. Watch that rain, it's turning into snow. You see it on the black, it's blowing already. There it is, snowflakes. Well, I am enjoying my cameras. Cameras, I said. The Action 5 Pro, the Ace Pro 2, the Nano, the X5, and all the stuff I got. Well, I'm Fish. I had a nice walk to the store. I got some strawberries, and that line was long, as you've seen in the video. And yeah, I could have put the POV camera there, did a lot better job with just the camera. But not with the clothing I have. Maybe the hat, I left the clip mount on my hat, so the next time I get my hat out, I could put it on there. But those days are gone. They're not like they used to be with me. So let's get on going, get on talking, and get on having fun. Another day. This walk is probably my last for the next couple of days, but I'm not walking in 2 feet of snow. Did you see the snow just come across the camera? There it is again. Wow. How do you like this cover? I wonder if it's better than the cover I got for my car. Mine is all over. I didn't throw the cross strap on, but at least it's shielded from the snow. Have a great day, everybody. I'm going to measure the snow in the deepest spot. It's light snow. I always try to do my best to clean the car off even after any rain. And I got this blower. Try to get the snow off. They just basically left their sidewalks unclean and unpassable. How about the MTA, the command bus company? They leave their area as well uncleanable. Well, it's a real slow walk. And yeah, the winds did damage some of the trees that fell inside over here. Well, I'm not going to be making a number of rounds today. I'm trying to walk real careful. Let's see if I can get around the side if it's nice and clear. Tone and the off tone, or the high pitch, which I can hardly hear. The camera's vision dock speaker is what I don't hear. It's not worth the walk. Slippery dippery dock. It's really slippery on the dock. I didn't rhyme at all. Maybe I'll just do the highlight talk and get on going. All going to be melted. They figured if 50-degree weather that's coming, it's going to take care of it, then shoveling. You see the snow coming down like this way. It wasn't coming down when I walked my walk and showed the floor how clean my area was. Not mine, but our area. My area is clean. At least I put salt down and I prevent. Well, yeah, thanks. It is what it is, man. So let's get on going. Spring is just around the corner. Get on out of here. I make blocks. Maybe they should have made a snowman. See, this is my path. I gotta walk out. Get on going. Miles per hour, walking, slipping and sliding. Great for a sled. That's about it. Extra. It's not an extra. It's a DJI Osmo Nano. And it is equivalent to the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. And people are comparing it to the DJI Osmo Action 6, which is a newer camera than both of these. And this camera basically is what you want to get than the others. It does the job, you can separate it, and you got something real compact. A great camera indeed, I think. I'm happy with it. I'm not going to do everything with it, but I still use my Action 5 Pro as my review camera. It does a mighty fine job for its job. This you forgot to turn on. Super night. Take care of beeswax, and I got things to do and relax with. People did a nice job here. Cleaning up. In the garden. Look how nice that is. And sell that spot. Here we are with two cars that just didn't clean out, don't care to go out. Yes, indeed. Have a great day. Enjoy the snow. It's not Groundhog Day yet. Have a great one, and I'll see you on the next one.